So here is the LeadIQ tutorial complete guide. LeadIQ is a sales prospecting platform that helps sales teams find and manage leads. It uses AI to help sales teams find and capture leads and to automate workflows. So first of all, let's head over to leadiq.com and check out their pricing over here. So once you're in the pricing section, you will get to see all the available plans that they offer, starting with Free, Essential, Pro, and Enterprise. Now, let's go to the main page and click on Start Free. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here, you can click on Continue with Google, Microsoft, or go ahead with your email. I will select Google and choose my account from here, then click on Continue. Then, just wait for a while for it to get loaded up. So as you can see, we're now in the LeadIQ page. It is now setting up your account. So once you're here, you need to provide them with your company name. Then, you will need to select your company size from the options provided here. After that, click Next. Now, you will be taken to the next page. Sometimes it may take a little while, so be patient and wait it out. And once you're here on this page, you'll be required to choose a plan. For now, we will go ahead and choose the free one. You can select whichever one that you want. After that, on this page, you can go through this information or click on Not Now. So here, you can download their Chrome extension by clicking this link. Then, you can learn how to use Chrome extension on LinkedIn. And if you want to learn, just click on Play on this video and you'll be able to watch this guideline video over here. Next, you have the option to connect your CRM and sales tools to sync contacts easily. If you scroll down, you will get to see all of the available tools that you can connect right here on this section. So click on Connect and you will be able to see all the options over here. And to connect any of these, all you need to do is click on Connect. Then on the left panel, you have all of these options and sections as well. So go ahead and go to Get Started. This is the initial page that we started with. So over here, scroll through and check out all of these sections. You can learn about all of these functions by watching the videos. And once you're done with this section, let's go ahead and go over to Track from the left panel. Go ahead and click on it. Sometimes it may take longer to load up, depending on your internet. On this page, you can help your team be more efficient by creating a watch list. You can add an account here to create an account tracking watch list for your team. So click on Create Watch List. After that, you'll be taken to this page over here. On this section, you can upload a CSV file in order to add your account. And on the bottom here, you will get to see your accounts which you can assign to your team. So on the top, you have the option for My Watch List or Team Watch List. Now, let's go over to the left panel and click on Scribe. You can use this section to work in tools you choose, research in a fraction of the time, personalize without the trade-offs. So click on Download Extension. After that, you'll be taken to this page over here. Now, just click on Add to Chrome and the extension will be added to your browser. Now, let's go back and check out Lists. This is the page where all your lists will be visible, but to use this, you will need the browser extension. Now go over to Search on the left panel. You can use this section to search for companies by name or domain. You also have all of these options to filter through, starting with Range, then Revenue. After that, you have Funding. You can set your desired one from the options. Then you can set the range of funding as well. After that, you can select the industry of the company. So go through the options and select the one that you want. Then set the location, and after that, you can also include or exclude certain criteria. Then you have NAICs. Here, just click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with all the options that you can choose from. So scroll through and choose whichever one according to your requirement. Then, go over to Description and you can search by description as well. Then, you can also use technology used over here. You can add include or exclude for this as well. Same way, you can also set the technology category used. You can select from the options on the Include or Exclude section. Then, on the People, you can search by name, then put in location. After that, you have Function. So go through these options and set them up accordingly. Then, you can select Include or Exclude. After that, set the seniority. So choose from these positions. For now, I'm selecting random ones. Lastly, you can set the criteria as well. So for now, let's go over to the top and click on Clear All. After that, let's set all of these metrics with certain amounts. And as you can see, in order to do the search, we will need to upgrade our plan. So there are some limitations to the free plan. In order to get the full features, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. So now let's go back to the home page and click on Academy from the left panel. This is the section that you can use to learn all the ins and outs about LeadIQ. So go through the section and you will notice that they have video tutorials regarding different topics and aspects of LeadIQ. So in order to become a pro using LeadIQ, you can watch all of these videos and you will be fully efficient on LeadIQ in no time. And if you want to start from the beginning, just scroll up to the top and click on Play. And as you can see, the video has just started playing. So going back to the left panel, on the bottom, you have Settings. So click on Settings and you will get to see all of the account settings that you can utilize over here. On the account section, you can see your account limits and remaining credits. Then we have integrations, which we checked out before. After that, there is Prospect. For this, you will need to install the extension. Then we have Track. This is where you can configure your track settings to match your workflow. So go through these options and make sure to set it according to your preference to make your experience even better. So make the changes and click Save. After that, we have Scribe, which we checked out before as well. So for now, we will go ahead and click on Manage Plan over here. So once you get a paid plan, you'll be able to manage on this page. Then, on the Team section, you can add your teammates and you'll be able to view all of your team members over here. And click on Invite on the top right and add the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Then, you can also select group name to which you want to invite them. On the top, you have informations on group and government settings as well. So if you go over to this section, you'll be able to manage your integrations. Now, let's check out the Members section. This is where you will be able to manage your members. Now, let's go back to Groups. On the top, we have Reports as well. This is where you will be able to see all the reports regarding your team. Then, lastly, on the left panel, we have ICP or Persona. So this is where you can create your ICP and Persona. So using all of these options and watching the tutorials, you'll be able to use LeadIQ like a complete pro. And that is the LeadIQ tutorial and complete guide.